Cardano ADA to $1,000. 60 times ADA moonshot coming. Cardano ADA news today. In a widely reported recent interview, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has said that he expects the ADA price to touch $150 levels by the end of this year, which translates into huge 60 times gains from its current price of around $2.50. Today we're going to talk all about the Cardano 60 times moonshot and why Grayscale is accumulating Cardano. So watch the video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 25th of August, shall we? So far, ADA is up by a whopping 135% over the past month of trading, as the ADA cryptocurrency surges beyond the previous $2.55 all-time high and sets a new one today at $2.95, according to CoinGecko. This is also where the 1.272 fib extension resistance lies. The cryptocurrency surged to $2.40 last week and continued beyond the previous all-time high yesterday after breaching $2.60. Then, ADA made a huge price move towards the $3 mark, so far with no luck of reaching it. The market is truly under parabolic conditions, and there are now hints of bearish divergence as price actions make higher highs while the RSI fails to make a new high. From the other side, the trend is your friend. Hence, a parabolic move under price discovery conditions, price never traded at those levels before, can last even longer, past the $3 mark. Cardano has made price moves we haven't seen in the top market cap segment for a long while. In just over 2 weeks, Cardano reversed its downtrend by breaking through key local highs at $1.5, picked up more buyers at a shallow retracement at $1.9, and blasted its way through all-time highs of $2.47. In 2 weeks, Cardano has gained 2 times more than the other top 3 market cap coins. While we rein in our FOMO and gather ourselves here, let's consider what to expect next. Cardano's ascent to all-time highs was a sharp move without taking many breathers. Following steep hikes like that, some conservative players tend to start locking in their gains. Therefore, a retest of previous all-time high of $2.47 would not be a surprise. However, on shorter time frames, there is still no indication of the uptrend slowing down. Retracements are shallow, consolidations are short, and the price keeps spiking up with momentum. For now, let's wait for the price action to give us more indication whether bulls are locking in their quickly earned gains, or are they bravely adding more. Now let's get back to the topic. Earlier this week, Cardano's price surged to become the 3rd largest cryptocurrency by market cap, behind Ethereum and Bitcoin. Hoskinson, who is also a founder of Ethereum, launched the Cardano blockchain platform in 2017. Cardano jumped past $2 earlier this month as it announced a September release date for the planned Alonzo upgrade, which will give smart contract functionality, allowing for automated cryptocurrency lending and trading. Meanwhile, Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin said during a live interview that he expects the ETH price to be 10 times from the current levels, putting it at the $30,000 level by the year end. In a massive revelation during his recent interview, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson said that he expects the ADA price to touch $150 levels by the year end. This is a massive prediction coming from the founder, which means nearly 60 times gains from the current levels. On the other hand, Hoskinson said that he doesn't see any value in Bitcoin for the future. In a major prediction, he also predicted the Bitcoin could eventually die, as it doesn't have an innovative value and, as per him, the Bitcoin blockchain has no good utility. Cardano's ADA has been recently shooting to the north over the successful implementation of the Alonzo Purple testnet. The Alonzo hard fork will bring smart contract utility to the Cardano blockchain. As a result, many analysts think that it will help to exponentially increase the utility of the Cardano blockchain. Besides, it will substantially eat into the market share of Ethereum. Since the beginning of 2021, Cardano's ADA has already surged 14 times, or 1,300% so far. This massive prediction coming from the Cardano founder can literally blow it up to surpassing its arch-rival Ethereum. Will be interesting to see how the market moves further. The post, Cardano hits new all-time high, founder Charles Hoskinson predicts $150 by year-end, appeared first on CoinGape. Now let's talk about Grayscale makes Cardano ADA its third largest holding. Grayscale has announced that it has updated its digital large-cap fund to include Cardano ADA. Grayscale has announced that it has added Cardano ADA to its large-cap fund. The ADA holdings now make it the third largest holding in the fund, behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. In an announcement on Twitter, Grayscale commented on the addition of ADA, saying, "Welcome aboard, Cardano. We have adjusted the portfolio of Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund to now include ADA. Previously, the Large Cap Fund did not hold ADA. The move to add the fifth largest crypto by market capitalization relates to the fund's passive, rules-based strategy that seeks to provide exposure to 70% of the digital asset market." ADA finally added to Grayscale. The addition of ADA comes just weeks after the company updated its assets under consideration list. The list added 18 additional assets to total 31 possible projects to be added to the investment fund. However, it appears the first one selected out of the large list is ADA. The project has beaten out the likes of other well-known major cap projects such as Uniswap, Uni, Polkadot, DOT, and Internet Computer, ICP. Institutions still interested? The first 6 months of this year saw $20 million being poured into Cardano. Following a decline of institutional interest in Bitcoin and Ethereum, $10 million entered the Cardano market in the month of May alone. As a matter of fact, ADA is now the third largest holding in Grayscale's large cap fund and currently boasts a 4.26% allocation. Additionally, Cardano has forged a series of noteworthy partnerships with the likes of LikeCorp and Cody over the past few months. The flow of institutional investments and high-profile partnerships in conjunction have been able to produce immediate results for both the network and the altcoin. The same is only expected to compound with time. Notably, the environmental sustainability factor is one of the main reasons that has kept institutional investors hooked to this alt. Furthermore, ecosystem-centric developments that are lined up over the coming months make this crypto even more appealing to big market participants at this point. Is there any retail demand? On any given day, investors prefer a stable ROI, and staking has been able to provide that. Cardano's retail demand, too, has increased over the months. Here, due credit needs to be given to the staking craze as well. For instance, according to data from Staking Rewards, ADA's yearly rewards currently revolve around the 4 to 6% range. As a matter of fact, the amount of ADA staked has not seen any massive dips of late. Ergo, it'd be fair to state that investors are clinging to their holdings for the long run. For instance, the number of wallets staking ADA mostly oscillated around the 20 to 30,000 mark. Also, it has seldom fallen below its January lows of late. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land.